Water, the essence of life, sustains our planet and all its inhabitants. But today, our water bodies face unprecedented threats from pollution, climate change, and human activity. Traditional methods of water quality assessment struggle to keep pace with these challenges, leaving our ecosystems vulnerable and our communities at risk. But now, a revolutionary solution is on the horizon: Aqua Drone. Imagine a world where we can monitor the health of our water bodies in real time. That's the vision of Aqua Drone, a cutting-edge project at the forefront of environmental innovation. By harnessing advanced sensors, edge computing, and a sophisticated machine learning model, Aqua Drone is transforming how we monitor and protect our water resources. The need for comprehensive water quality monitoring has never been more urgent. Traditional methods like manual sampling and laboratory analysis are slow and limited in scope, providing only a snapshot of water quality at a single point in time. Aqua Drone changes the game by offering real-time monitoring of key water quality parameters. Armed with advanced sensors for pH, dissolved oxygen, temperature, and electrical conductivity, Aqua Drone patrols water bodies with unmatched precision. These sensors collect data at regular intervals, enabling a detailed and immediate understanding of water quality conditions. But what sets Aqua Drone apart is its intelligent machine learning model. Multi-layer perceptron model, enhanced by SMOTE for improved performance, analyzes collected data in real time, classifying water quality parameters and identifying anomalies. This approach provides stakeholders with valuable insights for informed water quality management. But Aqua Drone is more than just a monitoring tool. It's a complete solution that integrates data collection, analysis, and visualization into a single user-friendly platform. Our intuitive web portal provides stakeholders with instant access to real-time data, customizable reports, and interactive visualizations. Using advanced algorithms, Aqua Drone generates dynamic heat maps of water quality trends, allowing stakeholders to pinpoint pollution hotspots and prioritize interventions where they're most needed. At the heart of Aqua Drone is a commitment to environmental stewardship and community empowerment. By providing stakeholders with the tools they need to monitor and protect our water resources, Aqua Drone is helping to safeguard the health and well-being of communities around the world. Join us in the fight to protect our planet's most precious resource: water. Aqua Drone, monitoring the pulse of our water ecosystems, one drone at a time.